Let's address a big question many of you have. Do I need to pay down debt or do anything drastic before getting pre-approved? The simple answer is no. You don't need to pay down debt or make any major financial changes before submitting your information for pre-approval. Here's why. We're here to help you. When you fill out your loan application, you're not submitting your information to a judge who decides if you get a house or not. We're here to work with you and guide you through the process. It's a collaborative effort. If there are issues on your credit report that need fixing, debts that should be paid down, or money that needs to be saved for a down payment, we'll help you get that. Our goal is to get you into a home no matter how long it takes. So how can we help? One is credit repair. We can offer advice on how to fix any credit issues. The second is debt management. We'll guide you on which debts to prioritize paying down. Savings plans. We'll help you create a plan to save for your down payment. Income history. If there are irregularities in your income history, we'll work together through those. Our commitment is to you. Whether it takes 6 months, a year, or 10, we're dedicated to working with you until you're ready to buy a home. You don't need to wait to get everything perfect before starting the pre-approval process. Starting now allows us to help you make the necessary adjustments along the way. Don't hold off on getting pre-approved because you think you need to have everything in perfect order. We're here to guide you through every step of the process, from managing debts to saving for a down payment. If you're ready to get started, or if you have more questions, reach out to us. We're here to help you every step of the way.